Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fuel a Stihl chainsaw. Start by gathering fresh gasoline, 2-stroke oil, a clean mixing container, and a funnel. Check the operator manual for the correct oil ratio and measure precisely to protect the engine. Clean the filler caps and surrounding areas to prevent dirt contamination. Store fuel safely in approved containers and label mixtures clearly to avoid mistakes or accidents around the work. Measure fuel using a precise container and follow the Stihl recommended mix ratio. Pour gasoline first, then add 2-stroke oil and cap the container tightly before mixing. Gently rotate or invert the container several times until the oil is fully blended with the gas. Avoid vigorous shaking that creates foam, and always label the mixture with ratio and date. Use mixed fuel within the recommended time frame to keep engine performance optimal. Position the chainsaw on a flat surface and use a funnel to reduce spills and fuel waste. Fill the tank slowly to the specified level without overfilling, and clean any spills before starting. Follow priming and choke steps listed in the manual, and start the engine with a firm grip and stable stance. Let the saw idle to warm, then check chain lubrication and tension before cutting to ensure safe, reliable performance during use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.